Hi guys, and welcome back in this video where I'm gonna sell my luxury handbags and accessories. If you don't know me yet, my name is Margot alias Margavalux. I'm a bag lover, and if you clicked on this video, I guess you are too. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and maybe you can like this video if you like this type of content. Anyway, let's start with this first bag that I want to sell. This is a Goyard. As you can see, I do have the dust bag. This is a very no, it's not the first time. It's the third time that I do have a Goyard bag, Saint Louis tote, as you can see here. This is a beautiful handbag. So for the ones who's asking or wondering, every bag that I have comes from clients that drop me some bags to sell for them. And now I do have my own company because it started with my own collection where I was selling my own collection of bags to buy new ones. And people were asking for more here on YouTube. So I asked my friends and people I knew in Paris, because I'm from Paris originally, that I worked in the luxury industry. I asked them if I had bags to sell, accessories. And this is how it all started, actually. Anyway, so I have these bags to sell. This one is a Goyard Saint Louis tote, PM size, gray color. I do have the dust bag, and I also do have a little pouch inside with the papers. Condition, I would say, is very good on this one. Corners are very good. Usually on these bags, Saint Louis Goyard, the corners are very damaged. Here, it's very, very good. The only default on this bag are the handles here. You can see they're a little bit damaged and a little bit sticky. So it's usual also on those Saint Louis bags, and they are so complicated to get in store because you don't have many stores around. So you do have the inside that is very good. Sorry, I tried to show you properly. So inside of this bag is actually very good. I'm gonna just check my price, 1,850 euro. I will try to put you on the screen the USD price if I think about it. Sorry, I had some late videos, and usually I put you, I'm saying directly the USD price, but lately I had like a hard time to just follow up with everything because it's hard to have your own business. I'm thinking about everyone that has her or his own business. Good luck. This is not an easy path, definitely. So good luck and well done. That's it. So everything that I'm showing to you is available on my website, bamnosherstore.com. So you can go directly there. I ship worldwide. I ship from Europe. If you have any questions related to customs, for example, don't hesitate to ask. I have free shipping for the US right now, so do enjoy it. Definitely. The USD price is very different from the Euro price because in the USD price, I do not have VAT because upon arrival, you're probably going to have to pay customs. So in the end, when you pay customs, it's going to be the same price as Euro, but you have to pay customs upon arrival, but the price is interesting. So next bag that I want to show you. So next bag is here. I've went close to Geneva in Switzerland to get this bag from my client. She bought it in Geneva directly in 2021. This is a very specific collection of 2021. You're gonna see, you're gonna love it. It's very rare color, very complicated to find, so I was so excited to get it. So it's a full set. I had box, papers, dust bag, invoice from the store in Geneva directly. For this one, I also have the entropy certificate that help us to authenticate bags, plus our certificate. And I'm going to show you. I present you the mini classic flap lavender color from 2021. Insane. I'm so in love. I love it. I wanted to keep it for me, but I don't have a budget for now. Lots of things are happening right now in our life with Vincent. I will have to update you in a vlog, I promise you, but I cannot invest in bags recently. Have more, I would say, urgent things coming, and I will let you know soon, promise. But this bag was for me, and in the end, not really, because I cannot afford it right now. I need to invest in some other things. I'll let you know. I'm super excited. So this one is an amazing condition. The only thing is here, you have a little stitch that is going off. But I think the repair would be super easy, I think, if you bring it to Chanel or some other store. But definitely beautiful condition. Otherwise, amazing, like brand new, I would say. Look, I'm so in love with the bag. Silver hardware, and I'm gonna open it for you. I wish I could keep it. I'm in love. Inside is in perfect condition. Inside is in very, very good condition. Perfect. You have like the plate here. That is the new thing at Chanel. They don't sell bags and accessories anymore with the authenticity, card authentication, because they do have this type of plate up, and look at this. This one is the mini one, so you can wear it as a crossbody bag very easily. The color is so easy to wear, guys. You could also make the crossbody shorter in order to wear it on the shoulder. I'm in love. Price for this one is 4,175 euro, full set. Now a bigger bag, as you can see, Keepall size 55, monogram canvas, beautiful one. I do have one padlock, no keys. I do have the tag name, the suitcase attached. Condition is good on this one. And you have some trace of wear stains under the bag, on the leather part, but it's quite usual on this type of bags. This is a travel body. You can bring it in any plane as like cabin, like as a bag of travel. Condition is amazing on this one. Otherwise, like, you have a very great inside, no stain for this one. You have some fold on the side, but obviously this is a bag that you can fold directly. This is a very good one, and the price is very small, 650 euro. Amazing. Ooh, I do love a good accessorize, and here I do have a Kelly bracelet. This one is kind of, I would say pink red, so it's in between. I'm gonna wear it. Actually, this is a second-hand one. It's not a brand new one, but in very good condition. Gold hardware. I'm just gonna put it on my wrist and show it to you. Very good. I love it. This is very, very cute. Color is amazing, and it looks perfect. Like, I'm old town, and it looks amazing. Price for this one is 410 euro. This is a small size, S1. I would say condition is very good. You have some, you can see it was worn a little bit because of the hardware that has like very little scratches, obviously. But otherwise, amazing. I do love it. This is a double toe, and this is a very good price for this one. I don't have box in this bag. My clients could not find it. This is from a client that's coming from Lyon. Guys, by the way, if you are in Europe or in France, we do take some bags in consignment. I've been to Lyon not so long ago. I was in Paris also. I'm going to south of France, so around Nice, Cannes, and French Riviera to get some consignments. So if you have some bags to drop to us and that you want to sell for us, do not hesitate. Like, for sure, we are going to take them. Okay, ooh, I want to present this one. This is Speedy 30 Epilever in black Epilever. Beautiful condition. Epilever is getting a comeback at Louis Vuitton, so probably now is the best time to invest in it. This is a second-hand one, and this is my year. This is a 1995 year of production. I'm in love. I love it. I love Epilever. If you know me, you know. There is like here on this side, you have like a little pocket. I love it. Condition, I would say, is good, very good. You have very little trace of wear. I would say corners are a little bit rubbed, but it's very, very minor. What else? On this side, you have some little marks, but it's very thin. You do have like the leather parts here. What else? What else? Inside is amazing. You have a little pocket there with padlock and one key. This is a good news. And the price for this baby is 499 euro. Very good condition. And this is a great bag. Like, this is a great everyday bag. Look what I have here. This is an Hermès bag. I do have this bag. I do have an entreprise certificate as well. And as you can see, this is a picotine size 18 navy blue. Bleu marine in French, as we call it, because, yeah, if you don't know, I'm French. I'm from France. I live in Spain, in Barcelona, and my business now is also in Spain. It was more the year, but we do ship worldwide, so don't hesitate to order. So I do not have the padlock and keys. My client completely lost it. So I will try to get you one if I can. Otherwise, it is sold without it. You have also the little fit. Condition is very good on this one. And good news for this, I also do have from my clients a bag organizer that is actually in very good condition. I like it. The quality is amazing, and it's sold with it. So it's a good news. So the bag is actually in a very good condition. The 4 little fits as like some little trace of wear, obviously. And I'm gonna give you the price. Price is 2,680 euro with dust bag, bag organizer, and entreprise certificate for this picotine. This is a very good condition. This is not a brand new one. It was used already, but still amazing. Look at this. Okay, so the way I'm wearing, I love it. I do have a 18 also and a 22, and these are my favorite bags. I love it. I love it. I wish I could have one also like this. I like the navy blue. It's so easy to wear, and this is the second time that I have one, so go for it. Good news, I have a Louis Vuitton item, and this is the second time I have one in 2 years and a half, so go for it. This is a belt. I'm very excited because both men and women, you were asking quite a lot for belts, and I have finally one. So this is a belt size 85 centimeters, damier ébène canvas with the Louis Vuitton logo here. The Louis Vuitton logo is in very good condition. I'll try to show you closer. The condition of the belt is actually very good. You have some marks on the inside because it was used a little bit. But otherwise, this is amazing. I'm going to show you. So it's either for men or women. I'm a good size 38. And I have the possibility to just put 4 of them here. So it would be perfect. Price for this one is 380 euro. This is a very good one. It can be either for men or women. So it's actually good news. And I have the box, so it's nice for a gift, you know. Ooh, I have a very good one here. I do have the dust bag. This is a vintage one. This is a Chanel vintage, beautiful handbag, beige. I do have hard time to find beige bags at Chanel, actually, secondhand, pre-loved. So this is a very good one. I love the shape of the bag. This is a bag that I clearly love. This is a bag that you can wear as a crossbody bag. So it's a good news because the classic flaps, like medium size and small, are complicated to wear as a crossbody because it's very short. I'm short, so it's okay. But for some tall girls, it's complicated actually. So this is a good one. A good point. This is the beige lambskin leather. This is gold plated on this bag. Condition is very good, actually, like good, I would say very good. On the back of the bag, you have some color transfer on this area, but you can make the bag cleaned by a professional. I do have some address if you want. You have little fits on the bottom, some trace of wear, also here and there, but very good. You have also like little back pocket. Let's open the bag together. So the inside is lovely. And you have a large inside with pockets, and you do have the serial number. I will try to put you on the screen. The year of the bag would be interesting. And the price is completely crazy. Loco. I do have entreprise certificate for this one, and the price is 1,650 euro. Yes, this is such a good price. I think it's Vincent who made the prices. It's a gift for you. I have another Chanel that I was able to get from a client in Lyon also. I've been to Lyon to get some bags because I have lots of clients there and also in Paris. So I'm happy. This one is a beautiful bag from the collection 2015. I have the exact same bag in smaller. Same collection, not exact same bag, but in smaller. So if you want to have a look on the website, I will link the website below, or it will be on the screen, bamluxurystore.com. So this is a bag from 2015 collection. This is a black caviar leather, iridescent, I would say. You had what I love, some little details about the logo Chanel. The chain of the bag is beautiful. You also had the details of the chain down below. Condition is very good. You have rubbing under the bag. I do have this bag. I do have the entreprise certificate, and I do have the card authentication. That is just here. Inside now is exactly as the other ones. This is the exact same collection. This is a silver leather inside. I love it. I love this type of detail. I will try to show you. So you have some rubbing on the leather inside. We can almost not see anymore the Chanel logo because of time, I would say. But otherwise, you have some over rubbing, but very good. I love the bag. I love that it's very flexible. It's so comfy to wear. This is a nice everyday bag. I like it, actually. I don't know what's your thoughts on this bag. And the price is completely crazy. Price for this bag is 1,780 euro. Yes, go for it. I also do have a nice tote for the back to work situation. This is a slim tote in macadam canvas. I love it. This is a beautiful one, very good condition. As you can see, half canvas, half leather. You have a little pocket here. And also, the inside is very good. You have a little pocket inside. I would say the only default on these bags, in this bag, are the handles that are a little bit damaged here, but that's it otherwise. And it fits completely a MacBook Air, a MacBook, or a computer. Anyway, this is a very large tote, so it's perfect. And I'm just gonna, price for this one is 395 euro. So it's amazing. By the way, guys, last time I was on live on TikTok, I did have this same outfit. Everyone was asking for the brand. I will link down below the top and the jean. These are from SDIR. I'm very short and the jean fits perfectly. This is weird because I have like sometimes issue with jeans and with pants, hard to, because I'm small, but I'm not as thin as some other girls. So from this part, I don't know the name in English, like les cuisses. In French, cuisse, but in English, I don't remember the name. Anyway, you will understand somehow. But yeah, I will link everything below for the looks that I'm wearing sometimes. And I hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you for following our adventures. I will try to vlog a little bit more on this YouTube channel in English because I have also my French YouTube channel where I'm making more vlog content sometimes because it's easier to vlog in French. I will try to do it more often in English too because it can be fun. And I guess you are wondering also what we are doing on an everyday basis. So let's do it. So thank you so much for following here.